Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, we are going to install Switti, which is yet another text to image model that is proving to be a real good entrant into a long line of these text to image models. So we will install it locally and then we will play around with it to see how it works or how it generates images from text prompts. Let me give you a very quick overview of this model. So it's a new model designed for text to image generation. It's a type of scale wise transformer, which means it generates images by progressively refining details at multiple scales or resolutions. That is what makes it different from other models, which are in the same genre. Switti builds upon existing autoregressive models, but with modifications that improve their performance and efficiency for text to image generation. The key advantage of Switti includes faster sampling speeds up to 7 times faster than existing models. It also has lower memory usage and improved image quality. It also achieves state of the art performance in generating fine grained details. Overall, Switti is a significant advancement in T2I generation, offering a more efficient and effective way to create high quality images from text prompts. And if you are curious about the name of the model like me, so it's not a real word. It is primarily, I think, the abbreviation of scale-wise text to image or scale-wise transformer text to image, something like that, I believe. Anyway, let's try to get it installed and then see how it works. Before that, let me give a thanks to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. This is my VM and this is my GPU NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy Mast Compute. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website with a discount coupon of 50%, so do check them out please. Okay, so let me first create a virtual environment with Conda. And now let's git clone the repo of Switti, which is, I will drop the link to it in video's description too. It's not that huge repo, thankfully, which is good. And next, let's install all the requirements from the root of the repo. This is going to take a couple of minutes, so let's wait. Okay, everything is installed. Let's now launch the application from the root of the repo, and this is going to start a Gradio demo. So let me run it and access it in the browser. And the first time when it runs, it is going to download all the models. So you just have to wait for a few minutes. And the model size is just close to just over 10 gig. And it is, the download speed is quite good at Mass Compute today, as you can see here. And this is a third model which is being downloaded. And you can see that now it is running on our local host at port 7860. So let me quickly access that. And there you go, Switti is running. And now let's create a image with a text prompt, and you just need to give your text prompt here. It is going to generate the image. You can set the seed, and then you can also set the guidance scale, which primarily ensures that if the value is higher, then model follows the prompt, and and then it is a difference between deterministic and the creative one. And then you can randomize it, which I normally use when I start out. Okay, so maybe I'll just go with their one, cute winter dragon baby. This is a text prompt. Let me run it. It is running. Let's also check out VRAM consumption while it runs. Wow, it already generated it. Okay, let me check because the model is already loaded. There you go. So it is consuming over 16 gig of VRAM in the full version. Not bad really. Okay, so it looks good. Cute winter dragon baby, kawaii, Pixar, ultra detailed, glacier. Nice. Okay, let's try out few more prompts. Okay, in the next one, I'm going to generate a human. So I am saying beautiful, stunning farmer's daughter, extremely realistic, ultra detailed, vivid. Let me run it. I'm not sure if it is an SFW, so I'll pause it. Yeah, it is quite cool. Looks good, but not that realistic, I would say. I mean, I'll say beautiful, stunning farmer's daughter. Maybe I'll just say a real human. Let's check it out now. No, still not real human. Okay, let's generate few other images. And there you go. I have removed all the extraneous prompts. Just said beautiful women farmer. It has generated quite a good one. Okay, so it seems that you just have to keep your prompt simple and then it generates quite realistic one, which is fine. And it really depicts the whole stuff. Okay, so let me just say that depict, or maybe I'll just keep it simple. Christmas atmosphere in London. Let's check it out. Wow, looks quite cool. Yep, that's good. How about if I say uh, LS Spring, which is in Australia. Let's see if it is able to do that. It's the middle of the outback, the desert area. Yep, you see red soil, and then quite cool, and it has given uh, the whole vibe of it. That is very cool. Okay, let me now draw a movie poster. If you have been following my channel, you might notice that I did this replica of movie Pulp Fiction, where I just call it Pulp Fiction. I covered actually it in another video in detail where we were creating a movie out of text prompt, and then this is a text is placed on Pulp Fiction movie poster. The image is movie poster, and then there is a you know all the text and everything. So in this one I'm checking out again if it knows about Pulp Fiction and that sort of movie, plus if it can does the text human, and I'm just describing in text what exactly in that John Travolta's movies poster. Okay, so it's a long one, so I'm not going to. And again, let me run it and see what it produces. So you see, it has produced the text, but spellings are wrong. But it has followed most of the stuff. But there is no human, there is no purse, no pack of cigarettes, and all that stuff. Nothing is there. Okay, so it seems that it doesn't work with complex prompts. Keep them simple and stupid and sweet. And I think this model should work good. Let's try out few more. Okay, so I'm asking it a happy camel in Arabian desert. Let's check it out. Okay, is that happy? Maybe. Okay, a lighthouse on Australian shore. That's very nice. That's really cool. That is very good. Okay, write a text, subscribe to channel. Let's check it out if it can do. Nope, it's not good with text. Yeah. And then for our enemy friends, a lonely sad enemy girl. Let's check it out. That's very nice. Very cool. And now let's try out another one. Now I just wanted to use this term Belle Epoque because I just learned it recently. So this is Belle Epoque primarily is a time period from around 1871 to 1914 in Europe, when there was no war and Europe experienced relatively peace and quiet. So it was quite a peaceful era, and then World War One broke out. That was the end of Belle Epoque. So I'm saying Belle Epoque, maritime, it means Christmas, red house in Malaysian forest. So as you know that Malaysian forests are quite famous, but Christmas and Malaysia a bit different. So let's see how it produces it. So let's check it out. Wow, you see, this is tropical forest, and then there is a bit snow. I don't think so there is any snow in Malaysia, but just for a Christmas spirit, this looks good. red house in. This actually is beautiful, no doubt about that. In the next one, I'm asking it a blind dolphin. Dolphin, let me put L here, in River Sindh in Pakistan. Let's see if it knows about it. Yes, that's correct. And look at the vivid image it has created. This is, I think, one of the best images this model has created so far. Really good stuff. Okay, let's see how it deals with abstract concepts. So I'm just going to say it. Happy New Year. Let's see what it does. Does it write the text or what? Okay, I don't know what that number is, but looks quite good. Okay, I'll just say fireworks, maybe New Year fireworks. New Year fireworks in Sydney. Let's check it out. Not bad. Opera House is there, but there are two of them, which is not good. There is no Harbour Bridge, which should be there. Maybe I'll just rerun it. Yes, much better. Much better. Good stuff. And I have just put in Harbour Bridge and Opera House, regenerated it, and this is even better. Looks quite cool. I'm not sure what exactly this is at the top. But anyway, look at the reflection in the water. So look, I think really good stuff by this model. Not bad at all. Let me know what do you think about it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.